Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the EA Sports FC25 CE-108255-1 error code, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is make sure if you have any system software updates available, and if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is go over to the settings. From settings, go down to system, and then from system, go down to system software, and then from here, click on system software, update, and settings. From here you should be able to see like if you're up to date, that means you're good to go. But if there is an update, you can just click on update system software and then either go with using internet or a USB drive. Once your game is updated, I recommend restarting your PS5 as well, and you can do that by clicking over to power. Either just turn it off or restart it, it's up to you, doesn't really matter. And the second method you guys can do is restart your internet router as well, and you can do that by unplugging all of the wires out of the router, waiting 30 seconds to a minute, and then replugging them back in. And once you do that, I also recommend restarting your PS5 again after you do that. And yeah, and then once you have done all of these steps, you should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.